Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something fantastic. One of my favorite pieces from Ready to Set. This is the antidote that I am going to check out right now. What you guys can check out is fablades.com. See what is going on there. Maybe something cool is going on. Some nice knives, some nice toys are gonna be there for sure. Right over here, there's some nice knife made in Canada. Antidote, Ready to Set. Pretty cool configuration as well. You are seeing some of the finest stuff that is done. You have that's a big boy. 11 centimeters for the blade. I would say 10.5 for the cutting edge and 13 for the handle. This is like 23.5 centimeters overall in length. And let's do like a little family shot with the Shogun right over here and a killer serpent up there. So you have these three bad boys to complete the picture, and you're gonna notice that the antidote is the biggest of the bunch, and just a couple that I got to show you because, you know, they're pretty classic. Small Sebenza 21, large Sebenza 21, Chris Reeve knives in the house. They are staple, a classic, of course. And you know what? Since we are here doing measurements, let's go ahead and, yeah, this is going to be the elephant in the room because it's going to be like an elephant 8.28 kind of weight. It's not a light knife. It's a huge guy. There's zirconium. The stock is thick. There's no internal skeletonization. This is a beast. This is a workhorse. This is something like fantastic. This is like, oof, this thing is like ready to go batoning. It feels like absolutely solid in the hand. You got some fingerprints on this polished zirconium. Wow, this is very bad. Let me clean this up 1 second because I want to show you the zirc in all the goodness and I don't want to show you my fingerprints, right? What are you going to do? Clone them and use my Touch ID, whatever. Anyways, zirconium polished right over here. Titanium blue anodized pivot collars on both sides right there. Customized hardware, dual tone titanium, fat carbon, white storm, I guess. For these scales, you have zirconium tip-up carry-only pocket clip, which is a little bit stiff, matching zirconium floating back spacer, polished as well. You have a set of titanium liners, blue anodized, a little bit of orange peel finish to it, all to complete a fantastic liner lock flipper knife made by Ready to Set in Canada. I feel already a little bit of blade play, so hold on a second because I'm gonna fix that live because I cannot let this happen at all. And look at that. Wow, that was pretty loose. Now we are in business, guys. It was just a loose pivot for this fella, which it shows pretty centered, and that's the detent. This action, guys. There's the detent hang up. So there's no detent ball ramp. But as soon as the detent overcomes that, like this point, boom, you have this kind of action, which is fantastic. It's gorgeous. Since we are doing measurements, 4 millimeters for the stock thickness and 0.5 behind the edge for this hollow grind swedged. Look at this, tipping up a tanto compound hollow flat over here. Beautiful flats, sharpening choil, no stainless steel lock face insert, but there's no lock stick going on whatsoever. Blade is centered, is safely recessed. I love this floating spacer. Fit and finish is spectacular. What is spectacular, guys, is the sound. Clack, clack, and clank. Clack, clack. Guys, so smooth, running on washers. Come on. This is clearly running on bearings, guys. What are you talking about? It's so solid in the hand, it feels like a beast, like a tank. Rock solid built, crazy ergos. 1, 2, 3, 4 finger grooves, because you're gonna use 4 fingers to hold on to the handle of this guy. And look at this. Perfect fit for your thumb. That's how you design, like the spine, like that, the jimping, aggressive. Doom, like a glove. This is perfect in my hand, guys. This is gorgeous. Like you squeeze this thing, you can squeeze and nothing happens. There's no hot spots whatsoever. Beautifully done, the clip. It's a little bit tight, a little bit stiff, it's a little bit thick, but this grip is just spectacular. I am telling you. I love it. It's one of my favorite ergos for the handle. You might say, well, you know, the design language is not my style. Sure, fine. But try this. Just put it in your hand and you're gonna be like, whoa, what is going on there? Yeah, it's going on like this thing, which is super comfy. The blade is just very complex. There's a nice complex guy. I said multiple times I'm not a fan of the font, but just not a big deal. Just like an aesthetic quality, not like a functional issue whatsoever. Because this action going on over here, ooh, very, very cool. Indeed, it's super solid in the hand. It has a great sound, great ergo, unique look, fantastic materials. What else can I tell you guys? I don't know. It's just a very good one. It's a custom knife made in Canada. It says a great action, great ergo, great look. Check. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.